Have you ever played the high-low game? It's a simple game where you have to guess a number between 1 and 100, and the computer tells you if your guess is too high or too low. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this game in Python. It's a fun and easy coding project that you can complete in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Okay, so here's the Python code for the game. First, we import the random module to generate a random number. We set the range from 1 to 100. Next, we set up a while loop that will keep running until the player guesses the correct number. We also make a guesses variable to keep track of how many guesses the player has made. Inside the loop, we use the input function to prompt the player to enter a number. We convert the input to an integer using int, and then increment the guesses variable. We use an if statement to check if the player's guess is too low or too high. If the player's guess is correct, we print congratulations with the number of guesses the player took, and then we exit the loop using the break statement. And that's it. This simple code creates a fun and interactive game that anyone can play. You can also add additional features such as a timer or a fixed number of guesses. You can find the source code in the comments. Give it a try and let me know how many guesses it took you to win.